Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. We have been doing all these videos on roughing in a switch, roughing in an outlet, making up a box, but for this video, I just want to do a quick simple video on something you will need to do in every one of these other videos, and that's installing a wire nut. I wouldn't do this video if I didn't think it was important. As I've mentioned before, most electrical fires start because of loose connections. If we can get that part straightened up, you will be in good shape. Now there are different colors and sizes of wire nuts. You want to use one that is capable of twisting onto your wires. You wouldn't try to put a yellow wire nut over 5 number 12 wires, or you wouldn't use a red wire nut to tie 5 number 6 wires together. Mainly, this is just common sense. But if you feel like you are using too small of a wire nut, you probably are. The wire nut should fit over the top of all the wires very nicely. You want to make sure all your wires are twisted together before installing a wire nut as well. Just don't put a wire nut over 3 wires and screw it in. This can definitely cause a loose connection and arcing. And the last point is that when you are twisting your wires together, twist them in the same direction that the wire nut is going to screw on. In other words, twist them clockwise. If you twist them counterclockwise, then the wire nut is just going to undo that connection as you twist it on. Like or subscribe to my page for a link to 150 more videos.